Hi, welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about how you do comments in HTML. Paragraph 1, and we'll just copy and paste this a couple of times and change the number here. So, really quickly, how you do comments in HTML is you'll have it's almost like an element. So you start it with a less than sign, exclamation mark, and 2 hyphens, and then you end it with 2 hyphens and a greater than sign. And anything between those two is going to be a comment. So the browser is going to look at that and say, oh, I don't need to turn that into HTML. This is useful if you want to temporarily remove code, so like I did right here, or if you want to say, have a message, the next 2 paragraphs are important to your future self, or maybe to another developer who's working on the same project. So these messages could be helpful. They could help people understand what you're doing if it's not obvious. As a general rule, you don't use comments unless, in finished code, you don't use comments unless the code you're commenting on it's not obvious what you're doing. So I wouldn't put a comment that says below are 2 paragraphs because it's obvious from the code what that is. Yeah, so comments would be very useful in HTML production.